Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by confirming your console model and that it supports Nintendo WFC protocols. This matters because region and hardware change the process. Once done, make sure you know your network SSID and WPA/WPA2 password and have router admin access ready. Then, set up any required patch client files on your PC or prepare to add a DNS redirect on the router. This redirects Nintendo WFC traffic to the modern server. You are now ready to move into detailed network configuration. You will now configure the console network settings and the router. First, assign a manual IP or create a DHCP reservation so your console keeps the same address. This prevents connection drops. Next, enter the DNS server address supplied by the modern Nintendo WFC service into the console or router. This forces game traffic to the new server. Finally, if the game uses peer-to-peer features, forward the required ports or set the console in the router DMZ. This ensures matchmaking and voice features work reliably. You finish by testing the connection directly from the console. Navigate to the game online menu and run the connection test so you confirm DNS resolution and server reachability. Once connected, sign into any required service account or join a lobby to verify gameplay features. If things go wrong, first recheck the DNS entry and router firewall rules, then confirm the patch client and compatibility files match the game region. Often a mismatched patch or blocked port is the single fault preventing success.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.